Hello there once again, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today is our last video for 2023 and we will make a bang out of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a Triceratops video today, and we will be unboxing the new Epic Evolution Triceratops and also the Dino Tracker's Habitat Defender. We have it now. It's humongous. It is way bigger than the Epic Evolution, guys. So we were gonna unbox both. Also, we also have the Mint Triceratops. So these two have the same features. If you spin it right here, it gives you a charge attack. See that? And it has a special feature in the back. You see that? You pull it up, spikes come out. It's the same as the white one or the gray one. It's the same feature. You spin it. It attacks. Has horns coming out there now. It has this. There's a scanning DNA. Okay. And we will be unboxing the Dino Tracker's Habitat Defender right now. It's still sealed. They even wrap it. We got it on Amazon. It is an Amazon exclusive. You can find this at Best Buy, Target, or Walmart. Not even at Macy's. It's impossible there. All right. So let's open it up. We all wrap it up. Alright. So it's really big, guys. Look how ginormous this is compared to a Hammond collection. See how tiny the Hammond collection? And I thought the Epic Evolution was the biggest one. Apparently the Habitat Defender is. So let's open it up. Alright. Okay. We start here. Alright. Oh wow. Let's check the box actually first. Okay, no extra dinosaurs. It is 60% ISCC certified plastic, it says. Product made from plastic. Make an impact, it says. It's probably all made of recycles. Oh, why is the box so hard to open? Oh gosh. There you go. What? Oh wow, looks like we have to destroy the box. One sec. Oh, it's still stuck, huh? Okay. It's like unboxing a Tyrannosaurus. All has this lock. Oh wow. Alright, it's finally set free now for the tail. Okay. It's really ginormous. There. Snap. It's in. Now we're gonna compare to the Hammond collection. Alright, so wow. Look at that. See? Gigantic Triceratops. I wish that Mattel will make a Habitat Defender and Ankylosaurus one day to make it big as well. Because the biggest one is their Hammond collection. So let's see the mouth. This mouth's open. You can't move. Oh, it moves. Oh wow, it does move. That's cool. Okay, so it moves. There's a scan DNA. Here's the DNA scan. Okay, so the Hammond collection doesn't have a DNA scan. It's almost the same though. But the horns of the Hammond collection is better. Alright, so now let's open up the Epic Evolution. We'll start with the white one. Let's open him up. Alright. So, yeah. Wow. There you go. I could have sworn this was the biggest one, but apparently the Dino Tracker is the biggest one. So the mouth does not open for this guy. Alright, and then there's the DNA scan. The special feature is this spinning attack. It charges. A gore attack, I would say. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. Our Triceratops collection. And since it's the end of the year, have a special... I'm going to show all my Triceratops collection. Here's this one from Primal Attack, I believe. So we got a whole box here, Triceratops. Right there. They're all here. This is from Dominion, I bet. These two are from Dominion. I custom paint. I decided to put some orange. It looked better. Because this is the real one here. Adding orange should make it look a little better. So let's put the two Dominions here. Let's grab some more. This is another Hammond collection. We have two Hammond collections. And this is another Dominion. I decided to paint it because these two are the same, so I decided to paint this, made it a little blue. And then what we have here is I think this is from the original Jurassic World. Then we have a Camp Cretaceous. We have here is a Primal Attack, I believe. This is really rare. It's a Walmart exclusive right here. You can't find this anymore. And then I'm not sure about this guy. What? It's a DNA scan, but this I know it's a Walmart exclusive as well. And what else? And we have little dinosaur, little Triceratops from the '93 classic right here. So there you have it, guys. All the Triceratops and the mint. We're not gonna open it today. This is the rare one. It's hard to find. There you go. Alright, and here's some other Triceratops, the non-metal toys. Oh, here's a... I forget what this thing is called. So, alright, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Have a happy new year. We'll see you next year. Yeah. Stay safe, guys. Thanks so much again. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Yeah.